What's up, traders? How you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great. It's another fine day and it's a new week, guys. So you know what? I'm back with another banger for you guys, right? Today I'm going to teach you a really powerful strategy which only requires two indicators, which is the stochastic and the moving average on the main chart, guys, right? So before I even start, please make sure you watch the whole video so that you can understand everything pertaining this strategy. Then you can go on a demo account, backtest, eventually go to a live account and trade and make money. Guys, this strategy, it's really powerful and I'm sure you're going to love it, right? So please make sure you watch the whole video, right? If you want to make money, a few minutes won't cost you, right? 15-18 minutes won't cost you, right? So make sure you watch the whole video, right? Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like the video, you can even comment, right? And also, I really appreciate all my new subscribers. We're on our way to 100 subscribers. Guys, I'm posting only quality content for you, right? So if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate, right? It really motivates me to continue pushing each and every day, right? Okay, guys. So let me just head straight and show you how the strategy works, right? Without much further ado, right? Okay, guys, look here, right? The strategy requires only these two indicators, right? Which is the stochastic and this moving average over here, right? So let me give you the settings first because they are just two indicators. So if you want the settings, you head here. You just head to the F icon. This is MetaTrader 5, this F icon, right? And there are our two indicators, right? Okay, so the first indicator, it's the moving average, right? This moving average, right? As you can see here, period 51, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, right? Styles for pixel and any color that you want. Me, I've kept mine at red, right? Okay, and you're done. Then our next indicator, right? It's the stochastic oscillator. This is a momentum indicator and it's a really powerful indicator, right? So this stochastic oscillator, these are your settings. As you can see here, period 5, period 3, slowing 3, price field low high, method simple. Then these are your colors, green and red. Guys, make sure you copy paste this exact thing, screenshot it, paste them the way they are in your charts, right? Also add these levels. You add the 30, this 30, let me show you this 30 and 70, right? I'll show you how these two levels apply to this strategy, right? Okay, and you're done. So this is how your chart should look like, right? So guys, I want you to understand one thing with this strategy, right? I want you to understand this. It's really important, okay? When price is trading above this moving average, right? It's trading above this moving average. You can see here now price is trading above this moving average, right? So when price is trading above the moving average, you're looking for buys, right? Because this 51 moving average, exponential moving average, it's like a long term. It shows you the trend. That's why it's a moving average. It shows you the trend. So whenever you see price trading above the moving average, right, you know in the long term you're looking for buys, right? I hope you've understood. Whenever price is trading above this moving average, right, you can see it's trading above the moving average, right? You're looking for buys, okay? And look here again, guys. Whenever price is trading, like you can see here now, price was trading below the moving average. You can see now price was just trading below this moving average, right? So here you're looking for sales, right? This is one of the most important rules with this strategy. Don't find yourself buying in a place like this. Don't find yourself buying here, right? You can't buy from this market because you can see it's a downtrend. You can see the market is moving in a downtrend. So you don't find yourself buying from here, right? You only look for sells, right? You only look for sells. And this moving average shows us our direction. You can see here it's showing us we are just looking here for sells, right? So guys, again, it's the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, it's the 1 hour time frame. This is boom 1000, right? Okay, now let me show you how to take, let me start with the sells so that you understand how to take your sells. And let me show you, if you want to take sells, there are certain conditions that have to be met, right? There are certain conditions that have to be met so that you can take a sell, right? Okay, look here guys, right? Let me just start with this one example. As you can see here, right? Now the stochastic oscillator is where now everything, where the magic happens, right? As you can see here in this stochastic oscillator, right? There was something like a crossover. Sorry about that. Look here guys, let me just show you quickly. You can see now our stochastic lines, right? They crossed over here, right? This was this region, right? That was that region, right? Now the stochastic, remember our levels, the 70 and 30. These 70 levels means that price here was overbought, right? It was overbought, right? Price was overbought there in the 70 region. As you can see what happened now. After now the crossover around here, sorry, let me just show you quickly. It was this place. As you can see now here guys, look here, you can see now the crossover happened in the 70 region, just above this 70 region, right? The crossover happened and we were here. It's exactly that place, right? And you can see now price was trading below the moving average, right? So this means now that the conditions have been met, so you can sell from here, right? You sell and put your stop loss over there, stop loss, right? And hold this whole move till down, right? As you can see now the stochastic pushed downwards till there, right? Guys, I hope you've understood, right? Let me just repeat it and show you how the strategy works, right? Okay, you can see here price was trading below the moving average. You can see it was trading below the moving average, right? So you just don't sell from anywhere, right? You wait for the stochastic. You can see here now the stochastic, it went to this 70 region and there was a crossover right here, right? Remember this is the 1 hour time frame and it was in this region, right? So all the conditions are met. You can see price was trading below the moving average, meaning you're looking for sells, right? And you see now the crossover when it happened here in the 70 region, because this 70 region means now that price is overbought. You can see that push to the upside. Now this is why you sell, right? You sell and hold the trade till here and stop loss just above there, right? I know it's a bit confusing, but I'll give you another example. As you can see here again, let me show you this example. Very nice example over here, very nice setup that played out. Okay, look here guys again. As you can see now, price was still trading below the moving average. You can see now price was trading below the moving average, right? This moving average. So when price reached here, you can see this region, right? Also our stochastic was above here now, the 70 region where I'm telling you, this 70 region, right? And you can see now there was a crossover of the green and red lines of the stochastic, right? And it happened above the 70 region. Also price was also trading now below the 50 moving average, right? You can see now the 50 moving average here, right? It was trading below this. So this was a sell. You could have taken your sell from around there, right? Let me just show you clearly. You could have taken here your sell, right? You could have taken, you can see now the conditions are met, right? There was a crossover of the stochastic oscillators, right? Price was also trading below the moving average. Look here, it's trading below the moving average. You can see now price is pushing. It was pushing, there was a downtrend, right? So when it came here, you can see now this rejection, right? So this after this crossover of the stochastic here, right, and also it was bouncing above this moving average, it allowed us to make a sell, right? And you can see now price pushed down. Remember, this is the 1 hour time frame, so these are quite these are like many pips which you could have made from the markets, right? Stop loss around here, right? Entries, sell, then take profit here, right? You can see what happened. You can see, I want you to see this so that you understand everything, right? Then I'll show you how to make buys. You can see now this move, this sell move to the downside is what you could have captured, right? You can see the first condition, the stochastic reached the 70 region and there was a crossover, right? That was around there, right? Also, price was trading below the 50 moving average, right? So it allowed us to sell from there, entries. Then you could have held the trade. As you see, it pushed down till there. Then you take profit around that region and put stop loss over there. As simple as that, right? The stochastic is really powerful, guys, right? I'll just give you another example, another sell example. Let me just look for another sell example so that you understand how the strategy works, so that you can also see here, guys, right? These opportunities, they come, like you can see, you just trade these opportunities on crash 1000 and boom 1000. So in a day you can have even 2 opportunities, and because now it's the 1 hour time frame, you can make a lot of money because now there is a huge movement, right? Look here again, guys, right? Look, just I want you guys to see this, right? You can see here the stochastic reached the 70 region, right? And there was a crossover, right? There was a crossover. This was around this place, right? Now the next thing you can see here, price was trading below the moving average, the 50 moving average, this moving average, this red moving average. You can see the price was trading below the moving average, right? This shows us now that we are in a seller's market, right? We are in a downtrend, right? So you're just looking for sales. You don't look for buys over here. You're looking for sales. So after all those conditions were met, right, this is where you could have taken your sales, put stop loss just above there, stop loss, and held all this move here to the downside, and you could have taken your profits. You can see you could have taken your profits around here, right? So the movement that you captured was this small downtrend. You can see here, this is what you captured. This is what you captured, right? You can see when everything aligns, it goes into profit, right? The stochastic and the 70, you can see price trading below the moving average. So you sell, right? Stop loss above there, and you just hold your trade. Then you can see you could have taken your profit. As simple as that, guys, right? So let me show you how to kill with the buys now, right? I've shown you how to kill with sells. Now let me just show you how to kill with the buys, right? So guys, also make sure if you're selling, the price is at the 70 region, right? Really important. If you're selling sells, make sure price is at the 70 region. Make sure you mark this 70 region. So this is really important because price has to be overbought here in the 70 region. If not, don't take that trade, right? understand this. If price is not, if the stochastic here it's not at the 70 region, don't take that sell, right? Only take it when it's at the 70 region. So look here, guys. Now this is this was a perfect example of buy setups, right? This was a perfect example of buy setups, right? Look here. Let me start with the first example. As you can see now here, right? Price was now trading below the 30 region, meaning now that it was oversold, right? This was this region. You can see it was that region, right, guys? Also, one thing you have noticed now, price is trading above the 51 moving average. You can see this type of a pattern. You can see this type of a pattern, meaning it's an uptrend. You can see now price is trading above the moving average, right? You can see, meaning now that you're just looking for buys. There's no way you're looking for sells here, because now this is it's an uptrend. This is an uptrend. You can see price trading, you can see here price trading above the moving average, right? You can see they're pushing, the sellers push, buyers, sellers push, buyers coming again, the sellers push down, buyers are pushing again, meaning now it's an uptrend. This is called an uptrend, right? So you're looking for buys over here. So you have to see this there are certain conditions that have to be met, right? The first condition, the stochastic here was trading below the 30 region. After the crossover, it was around this place, right? As you can see, around that place, right? So since price now is trading above the moving average, you can see now it started trading above the moving average from over here, right? You can see now price trading above the moving average. So this is where you enter your buy, right? You buy from there. I wish I had done this, I had a live example to take, but there are no opportunities for now. Look here, so that you put a stop loss from around here, this region, and you could have grabbed this move to the upside, right? You can see now it pushed, the stochastic pushed till the upside, right? I hope you've understood now that. Let me give you another example. As you can see here again, look here, guys, again. Price was still trading above this moving average. You can see it was still trading above the moving average, right? So the stochastic again, it was around in the 30 region, right? So after the crossover of the stochastic lines, it was around here, right? So again, you could have made your buy over there, right? The buy, put stop loss below that region, then you could have held this trade till here and you take your profit. As simple as that, guys, right? This is how you take your buys. Let me give you like the last two example of buys, right? Look here again, guys, right? As long as you follow these rules, you ain't going to lose money, right? Look here, price was trading above the moving average, the 51 moving average, right? And you can see here from this region now, the stochastic touched the 30 region, like here, it touched this 30 region and there was a crossover. This was around here, right? Exactly bouncing above the moving average. So this all the conditions were met. As you can see, the crossover happened on the stochastic, right? Price is also trading above the price is also trading above the 50 moving average. You can see it's trading above, right? You can see this type of a move. So you buy from here, you buy, right? Put stop loss just below there and hold the trade till here and you take your profit. As simple as that, guys, right? Look here, another example. Look here again, guys, another example. As you can see here, right? Price was still trading above the 51 moving average. Look here, right? Price was still trading above the 51 moving average. It was still trading, look, above the 51 moving average, meaning now that this is a buyer's market, right? It's an uptrend. So look here, guys, really important. Look here how the strategy happened. So you can see here now there was a crossover the stochastic in our 30 region. This was around this place, right? So after seeing this bullish engulfing over here, right, this bullish engulfing candlestick, right, after seeing that bullish engulfing candlestick, so you could have made your entries from here. You buy, right, you buy, put stop loss just below there, and you see now it pushed up, right, till here. So this is where you take your profit, right? You can see what we traded now, this move. You can see now this move, this up move to the upside, right? Because all the conditions were met. Price was trading above the 51 moving average. As you can see, price was trading above the 51 moving average, right? So after all conditions were met here on the stochastic, you entered your buy, right? Put stop loss here, and you could have held the trade and taken profit around there, right? So guys, I hope you've understood how the strategy works. That's how you look for buy and sells. You can also check crash 1000. If you don't see an opportunity on boom 1000, just go ahead and check crash 1000, right? It's also like the same thing happening. Let me show you. Look here again, guys, right? This was type of a sell setup, right? This was a sell setup. Price was trading below the 51 moving average, as you can see, right? Trading below the 51 moving average. Then you saw this type of a pattern here on the stochastic, the crossover. It was around this region, right? So you could have entered your sells from here, sells, right? Then moved with the price and taken your profit around there. You can see stop loss above there. You see it pushed down. So this whole move, right? I hope you guys have understood now everything. If you've not understood, just make sure you watch again, rewatch the whole video and understand everything so that you can start trading with this strategy. It's really powerful, really wonderful strategy. You can find like many opportunities. You can see here there are also opportunities for buys. Everything is just working out. So just paste these indicators on your chart, right, the way I've just posted. Then now backtest with your demo account and you can go to a live account, guys, right? So thank you so much if you watched the whole video till now. I really appreciate you. Yeah, continue grinding, continue pushing each and every day, and one day you're going to make it in this forex market, right? Okay, thank you so much. May God bless you. Have a beautiful day, right? And I'm out.